While our venues may look the same here in Charlotte, our world has certainly changed, and we know yours has too. Because of that, we've evolved our health and safety measures to meet the demands of this challenging public health crisis at the Charlotte Convention Center. That means rewriting our protocols to a standard we call We Clean with Care. We want guests to have peace of mind when stepping foot in the convention center and visibly see the commitment we've made to maintaining exceptional health-conscious conditions, all while creating a welcoming environment where you and your attendees can do what you do best, executing and experiencing successful events. During this time, we've been busy anticipating every need or concern attendees may have, and here's some of the new processes you can expect the next time you come to see us in the Queen City. We've obtained our Global Biorisk Advisory Council accreditation, which means we can implement the industry's highest standards for cleaning and disinfection. We've added bipolar ionization air purification technologies into our HVAC system, a proven method of destroying viruses that offers another layer of protection against the spread of COVID. Our event managers are CVent event diagramming certified to ensure your event can implement creative and safe layouts while still being effective. Day to day, to keep attendees safe, we're utilizing best practices such as electrostatic spraying in between events, linenless meeting table sets, and no-contact food and beverage protocols. Every last team member is committed to creating a healthy and safe environment, and cleaning crews have increased frequency with special attention to high-touch areas. And we're not stopping there. We're continuously challenging our team to think differently and innovate new ways to implement cutting-edge precautionary measures. Delivering memorable experiences in Charlotte is in our DNA, and in these uncertain times, that means placing your health and safety as our highest priority, which we will always do. Until we meet again, stay safe, take care of yourself, and know that we're excited to welcome you back. For more information on our exceptional standards in Charlotte, visit charlottemeetings.com.